Welcome. In this video, we will delve into SQL indexing. What is it, how it works, and why it is crucial for database performance. An SQL index is a database structure that enhances the speed of data retrieval operations, much like an index in a book helps you find information quickly. Indexes store a sorted list of values and point to the corresponding data in the table, which drastically reduces the amount of data scanned during queries. There are various types of indexes, including single column indexes, composite indexes for multiple columns, and unique indexes that enforce value uniqueness. Using indexes leads to faster query performance and improved efficiency in retrieving data, especially for sorting and filtering operations. Indexes should be used on frequently queried columns, those involved in join operations, and those found in where clause to enhance performance. Despite their advantages, indexes can consume additional storage space, slow down write operations, and introduce maintenance overhead. To optimize indexing, analyze query patterns, avoid over-indexing, and regularity review and optimize your indexes. In conclusion, indexing is vital for database performance. Implement effective indexing strategies to enhance your SQL queries. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more SQL tutorials.